right? We're going to be learning about comparing numbers. So the two vocab words that we have for comparing numbers is greater than and less than. Greater than, we use the sign with the open mouth going towards the greater number. Less than, we use the closed in going towards the number that is less than. So in comparing numbers, we have to look at the place value of that number. So it says when comparing numbers, look at the value of each digit. So what is it worth? That's what value means. So you have to look at it from left to right. Remember, greater than means greater than, and the closed end means less than. So if we have this number, 200,000, we have 2 in the 100,000s and 5 in the 100,000s. Well, which one's bigger? Well, we know that 5 is bigger than 2. So automatically, this second number is bigger because the 100,000s place is larger. Okay, so it comes down and it says compare the values of the digits starting from left. So we have 200,000s is less than 500,000s. So 237,981 is less than 500,600. Okay, and the reason it's less than is because the 200,000s is less than 500,000s. Okay, so then we come down to this number, and we have, oops, sorry guys. So we have comparing numbers greater than 1 million. So in the millions place, we have 3,506,017. Then we have 5,306,007. So if we compare the numbers, in each place value, so let's start with the highest place value, we have millions. So we have 3 million, then we have 5 million. Well, right there, we already know which number is greater. It's going to be the one that has 5 million. So if we come down here, it says compare the values of the digits starting from left. So 3 millions is less than 5 millions. So 3,506,017 is less than 5,306,007. And this is how we would represent it. So let's go on to something else. No, let's do a few problems first. So in our notebook, let's look at a couple numbers and compare them. So problem 1, we have 712,935. And then we have, let me do a different color so we can see, 712,846. So at first, when we come to this, we see, starting from left, we see that each number has 7 in the millions. Okay, so far they're equal. Then we move on to the next place value. We come to 10,000s. I'm sorry, I said millions. I mean 100,000s. 1 is in the 10,000s in each of them. They're still equal. So we keep going to the next place value. 2 is in the 1,000 in each number. So we keep going. So far, each number is equal. But then we get to the hundreds and we see that they are different. So that's where we start the comparing. So 9 is greater than 8. Therefore, this number on top is going to be the greater than. So how we represent that is we would say 712,935 is greater than 712,846. Okay, So we use this sign and we use the open end to show that 712,935 is greater than 712,846. So let's do another number. So this question right here is asking us which number is greater. So it says, which number is greater? Okay, and here are the two numbers. We have 4,730,589, or 4,703,985. So again, we look at the numbers, we start at the left. Okay, so at the left in the millions, each number has 4 millions. Therefore, it's the same. We need to keep going to compare them. In the 100,000s, they each have 7. Okay, but then we get to the 10,000s. And right here is where we're going to tell the difference. 3 is in 10,000s in this first number, and 10,000s is in the second number. Well, we all know any number is greater than 0. So the first number is going to be greater. So the greater number is 4,730,589 is greater than 4,703,985. All right, so now what I want to talk about is looking at a rule or finding a pattern when you see different numbers. So here we go. So finding the rules to complete number patterns. So right here it says, what is the next number in each pattern? So it has 231,590, 331,590, 431,590, 531,590, and those 3 dots right here represent that it goes on and on and on and on. So we have to find what is similar. Well, it looks like they're going up by 100,000. 300,000 is 100,000 more than 200,000. 400,000 is 100,000 more than 3. And then 5 is 100,000 more than 4 because it's in the 100,000s place value. So our next number, if we go from 531,000, it would be 631,000, and if we kept going, we would just add 100,000 to each number. So after 631,000, it would be 731,000. Okay, so sometimes patterns show up in comparing numbers. So let's do a couple more problems. So if we have 1,345,024, and then we have 3,345,024, and then we have, this is just to separate them, then we have 5,345,024, and then we got to find the next two numbers. Well, first we need to find the pattern to know what is the number. Well, we're going from 1,345,024 to 3,345,024. So we know that from 1 to 3, that's our difference, we're going up by 2. Well, let's check that with the next number. From 3 to 5 million, is that going up by 2 million? Yes. So our pattern is we're adding 2 million each time. So let's find the next two numbers. So 5 plus 2 million would give us 7,345,024. Then if we added another 2 million to get the next number, we'd get 9,345,024. Okay, so sometimes comparing numbers has patterns when you're finding more than just one number. So our last problem, we have 820,346. Ooh, 6. Then we have 810,346. And then we have 800,346. Sorry, I messed up. So we need to look. Are the hundred thousands going down? Not quite yet. But we see that 20 right here goes to 10 right there, and then it goes to 0 right here. So how would we get from 20 to 10? Well, it's decreasing, right? So we've got to be subtracting something. So we're subtracting something. Well, 20 minus 10 gives 10, but what is it? It's 10,000, right? So we're subtracting 10,000 each time. So 20,000 minus 10,000 is 10,000. 10,000 minus 10,000 is no thousands, right? So if we go from no thousands to subtracting another one, we would get 790,346. Then if we subtract another 10,000, we would get 780,346. So review this as many times as you need. Comparing numbers is as simple as knowing that 2 is greater than 1, but where in the place value chart is it?